At the end of World War II, my father came back to Middle Tennessee, married my mother, and they moved to Nashville. He took a job with one of the largest commercial tire dealers in Nashville as a truck tire salesman and serviceman, and traveled all of Middle Tennessee. One of his best customers was in Gallatin, Tennessee, who had a fleet of trucks that specialized in hauling livestock. They decided in 1959 to become partners and put a tire business in Gallatin. So in 1959, I was 11, we moved to Gallatin and General Tire Service was formed. Napa came to Gallatin with their store, and it worked out real well for us because Napa fit the vacancy that we had. They were interested in our automotive service, not tires. We pretty well had our tire business established and stabilized, but we needed the automotive service, and Napa provided us with the marketing and the main thing, more like a partner than a supplier. 6 or 7 years ago, my son-in-law joined our firm. Being more technology-minded and interested in the future, he took us to the next step, and that's what sort of brought the Pro Image situation in.
Roy and I share a lot of the same core values that we believe our business is going to succeed if we build relationships long term. So that's what we try to do day in and day out, is not necessarily look at what can we do to make that sale that day, but what can we do to foster that relationship over a long period of time. In the long run, it works, and you have happy employees and happy customers. One thing that we did right off the bat, whenever we got done with our Pro Image, we did a grand reopening with the local chamber. And we set it up as actually, instead of a ribbon cutting, we did a ribbon tying with Napa. Right off the bat, we sent the message out to the entire community that we were here to stay, but that we were planning on being stronger than what we had been. Me looking back on Pro Imaging, I feel like this was one of the next steps in our evolution. I'm thrilled that we did it. Our service business has never been better. People are looking at us as we're more professional now at what we're doing. They frankly feel like that we're the best in the industry.
Now that my son-in-law is with us, and now that we have grandchildren, we have a 5-year-old grandson and 18-month-old twin boys, so looks like we've got a crew of good shop workers coming on, and I'd like to at least think that the option is there. The option is there for them. If Sam wants to grow the business with other locations and look at the future for the boys, take it to the next level, then I'll certainly support him and encourage him to do that in any way I can.